Hello, it's Hassan again. Welcome to, as promised, rotation 2. I'm now going to show you some of the dynamic aspects of photograph. So to do so, left mouse select the object, shift key down and select the image. Then you'll notice that this animate object is lit up. Select it with the left mouse and we'll keep it at 22.5. You can make it steps going up in steps of 5, which in fact I will do, and then simply increase the angle, and that's quite dynamic. What happens at 180 degrees? You could prompt that, straight line. At 270 you could ask, what's this angle here? If that's a positive rotation of 270, what do you expect that to be? And hopefully get the answer minus 90. Also, you can select this key here and go into this dialog box and select automatic repeat. Now I've reduced down to make it slower so it's easier to see, and I've selected step of 5. Just click OK, and here goes. That's quite dynamic too. And you can see the text box is not static. We just stop here, go back to this key, animate key, select up and down option. Again, I've kept it at 5. OK, and play. What do you think will happen? I'm sure it's obvious. There we go. Now you can see your clockwise rotation. Just stop there for a second. And if we go back and select the manual and reduce it to say here, and then prompt the question, what happens when it goes beyond the object? What would the angle be in here? This angle will be different because it's based on the anti-clockwise rotation. So you get your negative angle of rotation here, which is quite visual and dynamic. Also, if you prefer to have a much nicer piece of graph paper in terms of presentation, you can go on to Axis, Edit Axis, Appearance, select Preset Theme and Graph Paper. And there are all kinds of things you can do with the Axis. That's something to come in a later video, I hope. And there we go. And then go back in here, select the up and down one, OK, and play. That's much nicer in terms of presentation. I will at some point in one of my videos in the future show you how to set up the axes, the graph paper, changing the text box fonts and colors, and also perhaps how to create some worksheets that you can copy and put in Word for students to find the center of rotation and the angle of rotation, or just to rotate shapes, different angles, different centers, using tracing paper, which incidentally they are allowed in the exams, so you must let them use them. I would also probably do something on constructions, how to find the center of rotation and hence the angle. Thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any positive, constructive comments, please let me have them. If there's a topic you would like me to look at for you and I'm able to, of course I will. Until the next video, take care. Thank you.